You know, Scotland is a great country. People, culture, scenery. When it comes to scenery, weather makes a big difference. Now we are in Arnisdale. Today, weather is not in my favor. So here is what we have right now. Now it's time to get wet and then we will hit the road. This wonderful moment when you are back in the cab. The bad side about driving a skip lorry on the weather like this, you are standing next to the levers, now putting skip up or down, winds, you know, coming from behind you, you are all soaked. However, I've got a heated seat which I'm going to put on right now. So that's it, we are leaving. Another good thing to have would be, you know, like kind of remote, so you can just put your chains on, jump into the cab and then lift your skip up, you know. Especially on a nice and sunny day. That's a steep hill, down to 8th gear. You can see these yellow boxes of sand. In case there is some ice on the road or snow. I'm wondering if gritters coming up here. I know they are spreading salt on Mam Ratagan, but I don't know if they are going as far as Arnisdale. I don't know about you guys, but I prefer to use manual box on the roads like this. And there are different opinions about manual option in Scania, you know, manual gearbox. I like the way it is, you know, here at the lever beside the steering wheel. You don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel to change your gear. Oh, there was a deer, two deer. Oh, more. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 2 on the left. Another hill coming up. I would prefer to put my foot down before I hit the hill, but you cannot do that all the time. You cannot do that at all if you don't know if something's coming, like right now. I don't know if someone's coming down. So it's better to be slow than to be sorry. Roads are quiet right now. It's January 2022, but still, you know, some local people are about, so it's better to not to risk it. Now we would see a great view over there on this side, but we can't, because obviously we cannot see anything, but it could be worse. At least we can see the road, so you cannot beat them. You cannot get such view on the motorway. No reason to complain. I'm wondering if we will meet any cars coming the other way. I would say more likely some tractors, maybe. Yeah, maybe the road would be quiet all along. In summertime though, it's oh, there we go. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Brake test. Now we are starting to go downhill. Another nice viewpoint, spoiled by the weather. So that's 2 cars. But in July, I think by this time we would meet 22. So, no drama. Thank you very much. It's kind of view. Oh, we can see a little bit of the scenery. Steaming up a little bit. Oh, I just reminded myself that there is one gritter sitting in Grenelg over here. It will be, yes it is, yeah. And all the sand. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they are coming to Arnisdale as well. It's only 9 miles from here. Yeah. It makes sense, otherwise, you know, many people could be, you know, just stuck. If the heavy snow comes. That's Grenelg. I've made a video and I'm going through Grenelg in nice weather. Looks much worse now. I hope I can make that video to pop up somewhere up here. I'm not sure how to do it, but I will give it a go. That's better. That's number 3. Oh, it's nice and easy. Now we take road to the left towards Shield Bridge. The road to the right goes to Moily, if I'm saying this right. And I've never been down this road. And I don't know, there is some campsite over there, according to the signs. And you know, if anyone from Moily watching this, surprisingly, then please consider if you need a skip. If you do, when you phone in, ask for Rocket to visit you. And over there is a wonderful view, nice mountains. It's absolutely great. much. Oh, it's getting busy up here. Oh. Oh, I'm not stopping. I don't know if he's not happy about it, but no, it will be harder for me to accelerate up this hill, you know. All he needs to do is just to release the brake. So nie woda. Literally at the top of Mam Ratagan. Wind is clearly picking up. So now we are at the top of Mam Ratagan, top of the hill, and believe me or not, but over there you should see one of the most spectacular views in Scotland. So there it is, 5 sisters over there, 5 mountains, Belach Ratagan. Okay. So now we start to go down a hill. This place is full of camper vans. Usually, and it will be in only a few months time 15%. Okay. I'll say this road definitely needs some improvement. Sledging on that hill, that would be good fun. It's end of January and so far we only had one snowy day, which I remember. I've made a short video about it. I hope this video will pop up somewhere up here. My faithful trailer. There we go. So that's a dark side of Scotland. The weather makes a big difference. I hope you enjoyed this video, or please consider a like or a subscription. It would be great. Stay between the verges and under the radar. I'll see you on the next one.